I'm so excited to shop with you today at Target for some makeup and some back to school items for my daughter. Let's get this shopping party started. I feel like the beauty section at Target is getting fancier and fancier every time I come in. I love these lights and it's just kind of starting to look like a Sephora or an Ulta. It's not surprising that I just found out that Ulta is now partnering with Target. The Mighty Patch has been helping me a lot lately and stopping me from picking my pimples, so I really appreciate these, and I'm definitely gonna grab a new set once I run out. My friend was telling me the other day about these magnetic lashes that attach to the liquid eyeliner rather than having to be sandwiched around your eyeliner or around your lashes. I'm totally in love and I'm getting a few pairs. Yay, Pixie! I love their packages and I love their brand colors. They're super fun. I love their like deep puffing eye patches are my favorite. Also their liners are fantastic. I also got this like cheek palette right here in the mail recently in a press kit, and I'm dying to try it out for you guys. You can use it on your cheeks and on your lips and then layer it. It's really cool. I have been dying to try this Physicians Formula Trio. It's like 2 black colors and 1 like gray sparkly color eyeliner. Super cool. Hot and Flashy was talking about it the other day on her channel, and I'm definitely buying it today. Nail Envy by OPI is one of my favorite nail polishes to get awesome long nails that are really strong. Essie just came out with this nail polish called Expressi, which is so cute. It's such a great name. Basically, it's supposed to be quick dry. I'm dying to try it. There are so many colors. I don't know which one I'm going to try. Probably like a nude color though, I think. This beauty YouTuber Alexandra has been talking about this color for a while, and I've been dying to try it. It's a matte and 16-hour long wear. They have so many fun colors. I really don't know which one to pick. Maybe a coral. I've heard Makeup Revolution translucent powder is really good. The price is right, and I'm definitely excited to try it out. This eyebrow pen has become my like holy grail of eyebrow stuff. I've been using the brunette and I've been just trying out the colors, but I really love all of them. It just looks really natural and is easy to use. Actually, even the NYX brow pencil is kind of a dupe for the Anastasia, and it's a much better price. So if you like the Anastasia, you'll love this one too. It has a fine tip just like the Anastasia pencil, and it's awesome. It has the spoolie on the end. It really does a great job. I'm trying to replace some of my eye pencils with like another light pencil. I'm on the fence between the Periwinkle Pop and the Lilac pencil for like an underwater line color. I've watched a ton of great reviews about these pencils, so I'm excited to try them out. Target has some really cute shoes. I'm absolutely loving these flat sandals from A New Day with the little toe ring. I really like them, and here's another pair that's super cute and super in right now. I really want to try them on. So cute. They both fit really well. True to size, I'm a 7.5. Really like them. Next, I found these super cute like tan-ish woven mules. Oh, they're so adorable. I'm totally into mules right now, and flats. They're easy to throw on and you can just slip them on really easily. My husband recently added some extra storage space to my desk, so I'm dying to organize the whole thing and make it look good. These things are so cute and they're really inexpensive at $2 to $4 each. Such a great deal. My daughter just started school this week, and I've noticed that she needs like a food jar that can keep her fruits cold for snacks. So this is the perfect food jar for her. It's insulated and it's super cute. I'm obsessed with pineapples, and I'm always drawn to this area of Target. It's super cute, and I would totally love to redo my table with them for fall. Let me know if you guys like these in the comments. This is where I like get sucked into things that I don't need but are so cute that I want them. This little peach candle here is so stinking cute, and it smells amazing. Since I'm redoing my desk area, all these like home stuff are calling my name. The Jungalow collaboration is so cute. I love these candles. I love these baskets. So cute. Oh, so cute. They even have this little trash can to match. Oh, and that candle. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Matching sets are super in right now, and this little like crop top and matching pants come in yellow, black, and gray. I really love it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I think it's a winner for me. I think I'm gonna have to order these online to get the size that I want though. This little tank top has been such a winner for me this summer. I've been wearing it non-stop and I definitely continue to recommend it. These V-neck crop tops are from Wild Fable and are only $10. I think they come in about 4 colors, black, white, this mint green, super pretty. These A New Day tank tops are super cute and I absolutely love them. I have them in black, beige, white, and now I'm thinking about getting a few more colors. They're such a great deal and I've been wearing them non-stop. I'm wearing a size large, so they run true to size. The bag section at Target is so cute. Look how cute these bags are. Oh my gosh. Let's check out so that we can get home and you can check out my big haul. I'm really liking this Expressy nail polish. It worked really fast and I did 2 coats and was like out the door in like a couple minutes. It's pretty awesome. I chose the color Secondhand First Love. It's like this really nice kind of nudish pink color. So these lashes are a game changer. Basically, you put the eyeliner on and then you stick the magnetic lashes to the liner. And it's great because you're easily able to adjust them so that you can make mistakes and then readjust and it totally still works. It's really cool. Dr. Dre recommended this mineral sunscreen and I grabbed it for my daughter. She uses the brush to put it on in the morning to make it kind of fun and like a makeup experience for her, and that way she actually wants to do it. This NYX Lingerie XXL lip gloss is really fun. It's like a matte color. It's really pretty on and I'm really loving this color. I think I'm gonna get a few more. This one's kind of like a fall color, but I kind of want a coral as well. This color is called Turn On. It's really pretty. I also grabbed this Birthday Girl nail polish to paint my daughter's nails. I think she like absolutely is into like this shimmery pink and it's super fun to paint her nails for school too. I picked up the trio of eyeliners from Physicians Formula. There's a matte black, a shiny black, and like a gray sparkly color. And basically it helps like brighten up your eyes when you use them together. I've been really trying to replace all of my old makeup because of COVID and not using them in a long time. Basically there's an expiration date on makeup and I'm trying to like stick to it and get rid of everything that is expired. I like to line the lower lash line with like a light color to kind of brighten up my eyes. I'm trying out this NYX brand, Periwinkle Pop is the color. It's really pretty and I think it's like a fun idea to try to brighten up your eyes with like a lavender. In the past, I've used like champagne colors or white or even a nude color, but I'm trying out something new. Why not? I recently got this palette in the mail from Pixie. They love sending me stuff and I love getting it. It was super cool and it's a really pretty, I use it as a blush, like a cream blush and also lip color. I've also been using these like darker colors to contour. This is great for summertime and I really like it so far. I've actually been hunting for like cream blushes lately, and this is a great way to like find out and figure out what color works on your skin tone. I really like it. It's only $20 and I'm a big fan. Next up are these awesome little organization things that I got for my desk. They're super cool and lightweight and really inexpensive. I love them. Check out my most recent Shop With Me video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I do 2 videos per week if you want to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe.